Hello, in this Bootstrap 4 video we're going to show you collapsible content. At the moment we have a great looking nav bar, but what we can do is make it hidden by default and have a menu button which opens it. So it's collapsible, you can open and close it. To do that it's really simple. First of all, with your nav you just need to add a class of collapse. Then you need to add an ID so our button knows what item is triggering. So for this I'm simply going to put nav1. Probably want to name it a little better than that, and that's it. In terms of the coding for the nav bar, now we just need to create the button. Well, what I'm going to do is create another nav. So class equals navbar dash light. You don't need to do this, you can just create the button that I'm going to put inside it. But the reason I'm actually doing this is because it looks more professional and how it generally would look on a website. So we've got the navbar set up. Inside it's going to put a button, so class of button, and we're going to have a button, going to be navbar dash toggler, type equals button data dash toggle. So what sort of data are we toggling? It's collapse, it's a collapsible piece of item. Now we need to put data dash target, so data dash target, and this is the ID that we set right here. So just copy and paste that, and inside we're just going to put ampersand hash 9776 semicolon, and you'll see what this looks like. You might think, oh, this looks crazy, but when you see the visual implication of what we've just done, you'll love it. So if I just open up the web browser, refresh, there you go, we've got our new nav bar with our menu button. You've probably seen this before, I can guarantee if you're here coding you must have seen this on applications, websites, etc. You might also be thinking, where's the nav bar gone? Again, it's collapsible, it's hidden. So if we click on that, okay, it clearly didn't work, so let's just go back and have a look where we've messed up. Where I've messed up basically. So we have a nav bar, we have an ID called nav1, we have data dash target nav1. There we go, we need to put a hash on there because by default it doesn't know that you're targeting an ID. So if we refresh, click it now, and as you can see it opens, and when I click it closes, and as you can see it's also got a cool animation, so it's just sliding instead of it just suddenly and abruptly appearing. So that's collapsible content with your navbar. If you have any questions on this or anything else, feel free to post them on our education platform, sonarlearning.co.uk/question.php. There'll be a link in the description. There'll be another link in the description to the source code from this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and let us know what you think of this video. And as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.